Is there anything you think that the President cannot order in the terms of interrogation of these prisoners in a state of war?
So, sir, you're asking my opinion now, not what we addressed in the opinions. Because
right now, what's your opinion now?
The opinions in 2002 and 2003 do not address that question.
What's your opinion now?
Sir, because they were not at the time.
What is your opinion now?
Sir, let me finish. I'm just trying to finish the question, my answer, sir.
No, you're trying to stretch out 5 minutes.
No, I'm not. I have no idea what time.
You guys are great on Beat the Clock.
I don't play basketball, but I watch it.
That was a game show. Maybe it was BYT.
I guess it was before my time, sir.
That's it, BYT.
So, sir, answer the question. So, those questions are not addressed in those memos. They were not before us. Today, I would say there's a number of things the President, I don't think any American president would order in order to protect the national security, and I think one of those things is the torture of detainees. I do not believe, and I've said so many times, that the President, I don't think the President, or I say should ever.
Without objection, the gentleman is granted one additional minute. Would the gentleman yield for a second?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Yoo, this is the second time today, or the third, that you've said that you don't believe an American president would order certain heinous acts. Would you answer the question, not would he order it, but could he order it under the law, in your opinion? And that's your question.
Yeah.
The question is to you.
I'm not Edgar Bergen. That was a question.
Yeah, that's your question, is whether I.
No, the question is not would an American president order such terrible things, but could he legally do so?
I mean, sir, I think it's not fair to ask that question without any kind of facts, any kind of. I mean, you're asking me to state some kind of.
So in other words, there is nothing conceivable.
No, sir, I'm not saying.
No. Let me finish the question, because you don't know what I'm going to ask. There is nothing conceivable to which you could answer no. An American president could not order that without knowing facts and context?
Sir, I told you I don't agree with that because you were trying to put words in my mouth about attempting to get me to answer some broad question covering all circumstances, and I can't do that. I don't agree with the way you're characterizing my answer.